Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt from MilestoneCGP.com. Today is Tuesday, February 14th. All right, we're going to do another update today regarding yesterday's information. I'm going to cover the Nasdaq, SPY, Dow, S&P 500, just a little of everything here as we break into new highs. It's about 5 minutes to close, rocking and rolling. I mean, it's really providing some great opportunities, but this market is way overbought like it's never been before. And when the plug gets pulled, it's going to be pulled unbelievably. So just be ready for that, and keep following along with the videos, and you'll get an idea of what to look for from that point. So here we are. This is it for the Nasdaq. We can keep continuing here. I have all these laid out. I'm going to use weekly charts. Looking at about 6,000 for that one. So we get about 220 points to go, something like that. And boom, we're targeted on that one. The only concern I have is the Dow. We're coming in. Oh no, I apologize. That was the other chart. We're looking like I made the adjustments to this one. Looks like as long as we stay in this pattern here, we're pretty much coming right on line to 22. So if that's the case, then that's the case. There is no other trend lines or anything else is in the way. It looks like that we're really going to close this month strong, and then March is going to be our ugly month. So definitely keep an eye on things. But if it's not broke, don't try and fix it because we're in a bull market and we're still bullish. It doesn't matter that GDP, EU numbers are bad, UK numbers came in bad last night. We got North Korea chucking missiles, and we got Russia manipulating, and all this stuff going on. Nothing matters. Algos are here and they are working. Okay, when you get up in this area, though, I would say keep a close eye on what's going to happen after that, because it's going to be hard, vicious, and ugly in my opinion. But we'll have to see what happens. Just stay tuned, because I will keep you updated on all the videos. All right, S&P 500, we're getting that. We're getting that. 2,400 is going to be our target here. 2,400. Once that hits, that is going to be major resistance. We're almost there. We might be able to get that this week. If we do break this, there is no more in the way. But our conditions are so overbought, it is absolutely mind-boggling. So I think we're going to meet some resistance right here. Maybe hit a double top and then start changing direction there. SPY, same thing. Excuse me. SPY's just cranking along. There's no stopping the SPY right now. Trend line is right here, and that's for the shorter term trend line, and that thing has been broken into close here. It's having given it a little bit of resistance. We only got a couple minutes left, but they are working it like a champ. No fear. Push it higher. Make it go to the moon. It's just that simple, because it is. It's going to the moon. Once they break that, there is one more trend line. So keep an eye on that next trend line. And these are the weekly charts. I just want to stay on the weekly charts, because if it's not broke, don't fix it. Coming into the week, Janet said we're going to raise rates. That doesn't even matter. March is on the table, so it's going to matter. Trust me, all this stuff is going to matter, and it's going to all matter at once. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. All right, one more I want to look at here is IWM. Actually, I'll look at DIA also. That trend line's coming up pretty quick here, and that one usually moves first for market conditions. So if this starts to retreating at this point, then we know our top is coming into play over here. But it's had a hell of a move and has done a great job. Here we are closing at new highs. This is amazing. It's just beast. I hope everybody's following me on WhatsApp. You have some good calls over there. If not, you're in the chat room. You did fantastic today, and you're gonna do fantastic tomorrow. Join us on Skype. It's free. We got about 130 plus members in there right now. Amazing traders, amazing traders. You can just add me as a contact, Matto STC, and I will be more than happy to add you to the chat. All right, so that's pretty much a look at it. DIA, same thing, right in line. Here's the weekly trend line. Don't fight the tape, even though it's overbought. Technicians know that these conditions are, you're normally buying puts at this point and saying, oh, thank God, and it's going to tank. And, every time you try and do it, you get a little pullback and then blows up to the
upside. So no need to fight it. It is what it is until it isn't, and that's just the way it is. All right, this is Matt over at milestonecgp.com. Join us in the chat room or follow my trades. If you'd like to follow my option trades on WhatsApp, I'll send them right to your phone, and you can get that just by going to milestonecgp.com, scrolling down to the bottom. Follow my trades. All right, have yourself a fantastic night. We'll update you tomorrow on the rest of the market.